Most learners struggle with this word. This word confuses almost everyone. Can you read this word correctly in English? This is today's word. Try to read it before I do. Let's learn it step by step. Step 1. Spell it. Thirty. Step 2. Say the sounds t, h, I, t, I. Step 3. Now correct sound parts. THIRTY. TH gives, IR gives, TY gives, T plus E, T. Now blend all the sounds together to read the word correctly. T, 30. Please repeat after me. 30, 30, 30, 30. Now practice words for you. Third, Thursday, 13,000. Third, Thursday, 13,000. Third, Thursday, 13,000. Practice these words every day. See you in the next lesson. Please subscribe and share for more English lessons.